Okay, so I have a unboxing for you guys from a company that, well, it's not mine, it's hers, but I'm just doing the unboxing, and this is from Naturally Insatiable. But look at the cool. I gotta stand up for this one. Look at the stamp detailing. This is so cute with their brand. I thought that was too cute. So is it two girls? Because it's like two girls on here look like.
Yeah.
But I mean, is it two girls that is it their company, like two girls?
I'm not sure.
We might need scissors.
Naturally Insatiable LLC, Health and Beauty, creators of natural skincare, and that revitalizes your skin to grow to have a natural glow.
Is that their Instagram?
Yes, that's their Instagram.
So if y'all want some, so this in here is bath salts, sugar scrub, and bath bombs,
and the crystals.
Well, we're going to see. So I'm opening it. Opening
100% handmade with love.
Ooh,
and vegan
y'all,
too.
It smells so good. Just by opening it from this little hole, I can smell it. It smells so good. We might need scissors. Where's my little handy dandy knife? My handy dandy knife's not up there. All right, I got it. Okay.
Woo. You can check them out at www.naturallyinsatiable.com.
And it's fragile. Okay. So, the first thing we have, and it's well wrapped. They made sure the stuff wasn't going to break. It smells really good. I think we need scissors. Ooh, it smells good.
So good.
Yes, it's so relaxing. And tell them, you said it's supposed to make you calm and like so relaxed. And by smelling it, I feel calm.
It's supposed to revitalize you.
So yeah, this is the bath salt. So look at this, y'all. That's too cute. And it's like, it's not a glass bottle, it's plastic. And they have their name and everything on there.
It smells so good.
Cute. Y'all probably can't see. Yes. It smells good. I love the packaging. Oh, and
it says thank you so much.
Oh, that card is so cute. So on the back it says thank you so, Naisha, thank you so much. That's too cute. So you just open it like this. And then they just have their little thing on there. And this is the bath salt. So we have one bath salt.
This is the Goddess bath salt.
Okay. Yes. This is also, and it's a lot in here. So what is the price range? So this is, and everything is well packaged and well sealed. They have their little nice little detail on there. Their stamp, their signature basically. And it's Goddess bath salts, naturally sensational. What is it?
Naturally Insatiable.
Yeah, Naturally Insatiable. And it tells you like everything on there. It smells so good.
It's $7.95 for the Goddess blend. That's what I got. The Goddess blend. It's a premium blend of natural and sea salts. Sure to give you a relaxing bath, and while you're detoxifying your skin, smells so good.
I can say one thing, the packaging is well made. So this is how this comes. We're about to open this and see what it is. I don't even want to open it. They just slide it out.
That should be a
what is this?
That's I don't know how to pronounce it properly.
Is this soap something that just go in the water and melt?
It's a selenite stone. It's a wand. It's a stone.
I'm not gonna tell y'all what it looks like.
It's like a crystal, basically, for mental clarity. Basically, it enhances your mental flexibility. It
This
enables
sounds-
strong decisions and making abilities. So it can affect your everyday life as full mental clarity into play to lessen confusion and mental disorientation. So basically, give you a clear mind while you're taking in your bath salts.
Yeah, she
Bath.
needs all this stuff. This is good.
So we live in the city, so
So I might maybe she can come back after she used this stuff and tell us how she liked it.
yeah.
So
And I have eczema, so
oh yeah, this looks like marijuana.
it's sage.
No, this is sage,
It's sage.
and it's like smells so everything smells so good, and I love how they put their stamp.
And that's
on
actually a
everything.
gift bag.
Oh, this is the gift.
This is a gift bag.
Oh, okay. So she got this is a gift. Okay.
Sage is for known for healing powers.
So with everything, this was your free gift.
Yes.
Oh, that's cool. So this is the last item. This is a pretty hefty bag. All this stuff. There's so much in here that you can give me some of this. That's in here.
Yes, the wand was about $3.99.
And it's very reasonable.
The bath salt was about less than $8.
So I'm going to get their Instagram and everything, and I'm going to put it across the screen, you guys.
That's the Naturalee.
Is this for
sugar
your
scrub.
hair? Oh no, this is
A sugar scrub.
So this is for your body.
It's a sugar scrub. It's for exfoliation for your skin. The flavor that I got was.
It smells so good, y'all. This is how it looks. And it's not thick. It's like
What's
it's
the flavor on it?
this is I don't know. It doesn't say brown sugar or I think that's just the ingredients.
It's a lavender lilac. It's the lavender lilac one.
Lavender lilac. So this is how that looks.
It's like sea salts to remove dead skins
Oh, I
and
need
impurities
this.
with some lavender extracts.
I need some of this for my
It has
feet.
brown sugar, that helps with antioxidants that enrich the scrub. It has organic brown sugar, organic sugar, pink Himalayan salts, sub-sea salts, essential oils, and sweet almond oil. And that's an 8-ounce jar.
And it
plastic
smells
jar.
so good.
Yes.
Oh, she had to use this stuff and let me know how it works out.
I just came across a comment basically when I came across one of their posts, and someone was just describing like a bath ritual that they were doing, and they were just saying that they need to get more into their baths, and just the way that the person described the goddess bath salt just made me want to just try it out. So that's what I basically did. So I purchased it. So hopefully, I can't wait to use it. It smells beautiful.
Yes, it smells divine. So what she's gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to write this down and give me their Instagram. That way I can put everything across the screen once I edit this video, you guys. But everything smells delicious.
Yes, I'm
Smells
satisfied with my
Now,
package.
are you going to use everything at once?
No.
Oh, okay. I thought it was like a step. Like you can use this when you first get in the bath, and then
No, one's just a bath salt. The other one's a sugar scrub. So.
okay. And then look, it got like actual. This look like the Chinese apple, like the seeds or something.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Okay, so that completes our unboxing from Naturally Insatiable. Yes. So yeah, everything smells good, looks good. Next,
And
maybe
thanks
we
for the
can
sage.
come back with a review. But I guess this was kind of like a review. Also, we just didn't use the product, but this is reviewing their stuff. So make sure y'all check them out. And this is not a sponsored video. She paid for everything with her own coins. So this is not sponsored. We're not being paid to say these things. about this company. So, thank you guys for watching. Please
Thank you.
subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and
thanks for having me.
Comment. No problem. Anytime. Comment down below if you want to see more videos like this. Like, share this video on all your social medias. Maybe someone else wants some bath salts and want to feel calm and relaxed and everything. So, until next time, y'all. Stay tuned for the next video. Ciao. Bye.